Pull it together. Fun kitchen pull-out ideas for your next remodel. Margarett Klein, your favorite Space Coast Realtor here. Currently knee-deep in my own kitchen remodel, and let me tell you, I am way too excited about pull-outs. Yes, pull-outs. The things you never knew you needed until you see them, and suddenly you think, how have I lived this long without a cabinet that brings my pots to me like a butler? Kitchen updates have come a long way from just picking cabinets, counters, and backsplash that hopefully does not scream 1997. Now there are pull-outs, slide-outs, hidden organizers, secret storage spots, and clever little cabinet features that make your kitchen work smarter, not harder. Whether you're remodeling your current kitchen or looking for a new home with all the bells and whistles already included, here are some fun and functional pull-out ideas to consider. Number 1. Pull-out trash and recycling bins. Now let's start with a classic, the pull-out trash cabinet. A pull-out trash and recycling cabinet keeps everything tucked away, clean looking, and easy to access. You can do this in single bin, double bin, or even trash, recycling, compost combinations depending on your space. It is one of those upgrades that feels small until you have it. And then suddenly, regular trash cans just feel like cave living. Pull out spice racks. If your spice cabinet currently looks like a tiny avalanche waiting to happen, this one's for you. Pull out spice racks are narrow cabinets that slide out so you can actually see what you own. No more buying cinnamon 3 times because it was hiding behind the paprika and that one mystery bottle from 2012. These can go near the stove, next to your prep area, or in a small cabinet space that might otherwise be wasted. They are perfect for people who cook often, pretend they like to cook, or just want their kitchen to look like they have their life together. Pull out pantry shelves. Pull out pantry shelves are a game changer. Instead of digging into the back of a deep cabinet like you're on a treasure hunt, the shelf comes to you. These are great for canned goods, snacks, baking supplies, pasta, cereal, and those random grocery items you bought with our big dinner plans and then forgot about entirely. A pull-out pantry helps you use the full depth of your cabinets, which means less wasted space and fewer expiredness surprises lurking in the shadows. Pull out pot and pan organizers. Pots and pans can be dramatic. They clank, they stack badly, the lids disappear into another dimension. A pull-out pot and pan organizer lets everything glide out where you can see it. You can add dividers for lids, shelves for pans, or deep drawers that make storing cookware much easier. This is especially helpful if you're tired of doing a full kitchen workout just to reach the Dutch oven in the back of the cabinet. Pull out utensil and knife storage. Counter space is valuable, especially in a busy kitchen. Pull out utensil and knife storage keeps your tools close without cluttering your countertops. You can add vertical knife blocks, cooking utensil slots, or skinny pullouts near the stove for spatulas, whisk, and wooden spoons. It's neat, safe, and makes you feel just a little more like a cooking show host, even if dinner is tacos and survival. Pull out cutting board. A pull-out cutting board is one of those old-school ideas that's made a stylish comeback. It gives you extra prep space when you need it and disappears when you do not. This is perfect for smaller kitchens, coffee bars, baking areas, or anywhere you just need a little more room to chop, slice, or pretend you're casually making some homemade soup from scratch. Some designs even include a hole over the trash can pullout so scraps can go right into the bin. Fancy and functional. Yes, please. Pull out mixer lift. If you bake, this one may make your heart sing. A stand mixer is wonderful, but it's also heavy enough to qualify as an upper body day. A pull-out mixer stores your mixer inside a cabinet and raises it up when you need it. No dragging, no lifting, no clearing half the counter. Just pull it up, lock it in place, and get ready to bake something fabulous. Or at least think about baking something fabulous while admiring your fancy mixer setup. Pull out corner cabinet solutions. Corner cabinets are where the kitchen items go to vanish. Thankfully, there are pull-out corner systems that make those awkward spaces less actually usable. Lazy Susans are still an option, but now there's pull-out shelves, swing-out trays, and magic corner organizers that bring hidden storage right to you. They are great for pots, bowls, appliances, storage containers, and all the things you normally shove into a corner and hope for the best. Pull out appliance garage. Small appliances are helpful, but they can take over your counters fast. Coffee makers, toasters, blenders, air fryers, mixers. Before you know it, your countertop looks like an appliance convention. A pull-out appliance garage gives you a designated spot to store and use appliances without keeping everything in plain sight. Some designs include outlets inside the cabinet so you can slide the appliance out, use it, and take it back away. Clean counters, happy heart. Pull-out towel bars. A pull-out towel bar is a simple but brilliant. Instead of hanging dish towels on the oven handle where they fall off, get dirty, or become a dachshund tug toy, you can tuck them neatly inside a cabinet. This is great near the sink, dishwasher, or prep area. It keeps towels handy without making the kitchen look cluttered. Pull-out cleaning bag storage. The cabinet under the sink becomes a land of chaos very quickly. Pulling out cleaning supply orientators make it easy to store sprays, sponges, dishwasher pods, trash bags, and scrub brushes. Some include small caddies you can lift out and carry around the house. It's organized, practical, and keeps everything from turning into a leaning tower of cleaning products. Pull out pet stations. For my fellow pet lovers, this one's adorable and useful. Pull-out pet stations can include hidden food bowls, treat drawers, food storage bins, or even built-in feeding area. It keeps bowls from being kicked around the kitchen and gives your furry family friend their own little dining spot. Because let's be honest, the pets already think they own the house. Might as well give them a cabinet. Pull-out coffee bar storage. Coffee lovers, gather around. A pull-out coffee station can hold mugs, pods, filters, syrups, tea bags, sweeteners, and all the little extras that make your morning feel less like a survival mission. You can pair this with an appliance garage or a dedicated beverage station. It keeps everything in one spot, which means your morning routine gets easier, and nobody should be searching for coffee before coffee. Pull-out baking station. A pull-out baking station can include shelves for flour, sugar, baking pans, measuring cups, sprinkles, and all the ingredients that make your kitchen smell amazing. Deep drawers and pull-out shelves make it easier to organize everything so you can actually enjoy baking, instead of wrestling a bag of flour out of the back of the cabinet. Bonus points if you add a mixer lift. Now, we are talking kitchen goals. Pull-out charging drawer. We all have that one kitchen counter where phones, cords, tablets, keys, and random life clutter pile up. A pull-out charging drawer helps hide the mess while keeping devices charged and easy to find. You can add built-in outlets or USB ports so everything stays tucked away. It's perfect for busy families, home offices, home stations, or anyone tired of seeing cords anywhere. Why pull-outs are worth considering. Pull-outs are not just pretty upgrades. They help make your kitchen more functional, organized, and enjoyable to use every day. They can help you use cabinet space better, keep counters cleaner, make deep cabinets easier to access, organize cooking tools and pantry items, add convenience without adding square footage, make your kitchen feel more custom and thoughtful. And when it comes time to sell, a well-designed kitchen can absolutely catch a buyer's attention. People love kitchens that feel updated, smart, and easy to live in. Remodel or move? That's the kitchen question. Since I'm currently working on my own kitchen remodel, I completely understand the excitement of picking out all the fun features. There are so many cool things available now that it's almost dangerous. One minute you're choosing cabinet handles, the next thing you know, you're emotionally attached to the pull-out spice rack. But here's the good news. Whether you want a home with a kitchen that's already has all the bells and whistles, or you want a home where you can design your dream kitchen from scratch, I would love to help you find it. Some buyers want move-in ready with the fancy drawers, hidden storage, quartz counters, and dreamy pantry already done. Others want a home with great bones, where they can create their own perfect kitchen masterpiece. Either way, I can help you find the one that fits your lifestyle, your style, and your future dinner plans. Final thought, little features make a big difference. When planning a kitchen update, don't just think about how the kitchen looks, think about how the kitchen works. The right pullouts can turn frustration into function, clutter into calm, and that impossible back cabinet into a useful space again. So whether you're remodeling, dreaming, browsing, or ready to find a new home with a kitchen that makes your heart do a happy little cabinet dance, I am here to help. Call or text Margarett Klein at 321-480 7662. You can search for Dream Homes at margarettsellsdreamhomes.com, and you can watch some of my home tours, tips, remodel ideas, and more on my YouTube channel, Dream Homes, Space Coast, Florida. Your next dream kitchen may already be waiting, or it may just need the right home and a little imagination. Margarett Klein, your favorite Space Coast Realtor, signing off, and have an amazing day.